I'm your Tracy Honda insider at tracyhonda.com. And what we're going to do today, we're going to install in under 3 minutes the privacy shade. So this is definitely a one-person job that's going to require a lot of patience. I'm going to set the phone down right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Don't forget to give us a follow on your favorite social media handle, and watch the way I do this. It is very, very on the difficult, more advanced level side. So you can put that in the hole there, push this in, put that in the hole there, and then it's gonna get a little tricky. You're gonna wanna come over here to your back seat. I always say keep that part open, and then what you're gonna do is grab these and clip them right onto the back underneath the headrest. There's these, see, I don't know if you can tell that or not. It will snap you, so be very careful. A lot of patience. Once that clips in right there, you're gonna do it right here. Lift this up a little bit. It is adjustable, which makes it super convenient. And then lastly, get your last one, hop in, pull this out, give it a little adjustment there, clip that there, clip that there. I get asked all the time how to put it in and how to take it out. Definitely something that'll give you a workout on a warm day. And there you go. So, Tracy Honda Insider at tracyhonda.com. There's your finished product. There's your finished look. Look at all that. You have privacy. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Tracy Honda Insider at tracyhonda.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And if you have any questions like this, come on down. We'll make sure you get taken care of. But if you're looking from the front to the back, see how flush it looks right there? And then, because those all-weather mats that we put in the vehicle doesn't take away your carpeted mats, check this out right here. You can fold this. Should have did that first. To cover your whole back seat. You see that? And now, that's the box I'm fumbling around with. You can get the original box with your carpeted mats. Slip them in here. Give that a close. Hope that worked. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video, folks.